Hi friends, welcome to Mummy Magics. Today we would be making Tamil Nadu style veg korma. And this is the red color korma. Yes, so we are going to make Tamil Nadu style veg korma. So there is white and green korma too, which we would see very soon in the future videos. And very basic ingredients like onions, basic kada masala, basic powders like coriander, chili powder, turmeric, etc., and some mixed veggies, some coconut, cashew nut, and some water and some basic salt and other ingredients for you to make this masala. It is an amazing side dish with just a plain rice or chapatis. It goes very well with idiyappam. It goes very well with appam. You can try this. So without any further delay, let us see how to make this korma. And it's a Tamil Nadu style once again. I have taken the onions, finely chopped them, kept it aside. Also, finely chop your vegetables to a cube size, I would say. So I have kept it small in size so that it is easy to chew and eat. It's not very big chunks. Have your khada masala ready. I have taken elaichi, cloves, saunf, bay leaf, and a piece of cinnamon. That's all we need. Now heat an oil in kadai, add the masala and saute them. Allow the saunf to splutter and ensure it is not burnt. At this stage, add the chopped onions, saute them, and once it is kind of translucent, we need to add ginger garlic paste. So this is the raw stage and this is the kind of translucent stage, which means it started cooking. At this stage, we would add the ginger garlic paste, mix it well, and get the onion ginger garlic paste to kind of brownish consistency, but you don't need the golden brown consistency. And you would add the powders like turmeric powder, chili powder, jeera powder, coriander powder, saute them well. You would think it is too dry, but it is actually not. If it is really too dry, just sprinkle some water. That should be good. I did not do so because I immediately added the tomatoes and sauteed them like till the tomatoes are mushy. And once you see that, you would add carrots, beans, and the potatoes. So these are the hard vegetables which would need time to cook. So I have not added cauliflower or frozen peas at this stage. Now saute them till the masala and the vegetables are mixed. Pour the water till the vegetables are immersed. So you can see in the video like how I have poured the water. Now bring it to boil and cover it with a lid and cook it for about 10 to 12 minutes minimum. Meanwhile, take a mixer grinder, take 1 teaspoon of kaskasa, handful of cashew nuts, I would say around 10 to 15 should be good, and quarter cup of coconut. Give it a pulse a couple of times so that the ingredients are mixed well, and add water little by little and get it to a nice fine paste like a very smooth chutney. Once you get this chutney consistency, it has to be really fine. It should not be coarse. Keep this in mind. And once you've ground the paste, keep it aside. Now check the vegetables after 12 to 13 minutes. You would see the vegetables are cooked. So I have checked the carrot so that it is harder vegetable than the potato and it is cooked, which means other vegetables are by default cooked. At this stage, add the cauliflower florets. Just give it a stir and allow it to boil for like next 5 to 7 minutes. Meanwhile, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Check the salt at this stage. If you want, you can add more salt. Now add the ground chutney consistency, kind of the mixture which we have made. Add that, mix the gravy once, add water to the consistency, and I have added the frozen peas at this stage. If you're adding the fresh peas, add it at the beginning so that it is having enough time to cook. Check the taste. It would be awesome. Adjust the salt or spice accordingly. Garnish it with coriander leaves and mint leaves and serve it with idiyappam, appam, roti, puri, or even plain rice. And this is once again Tamil Nadu style veg korma, guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing this video, and I hope this video is helpful for you. And please do try this recipe. Share your feedback with me. Share the recipe with your family and friends. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, Mummy Magics. Also follow me on Instagram, Mummy Magics. Stay tuned till next time, guys. Would be coming up with some interesting recipe very soon. Bye bye. Have a great day.